What's going on YouTube? Today we're doing my first mod to the Camaro. So I know y'all been waiting for a while, but first thing we're gonna do is a cold air intake. I got my cousin right here and my brother right here. They're gonna help me install it right here. And intake is back here. Got a cold air inductions intake. It's kind of in pieces right now, but you'll get a better picture of how it looks once I put it on. But so the first thing you need to do is take off the old intake, obviously. And to do that, you'll need a few simple hand tools.
7mm.
And
a flathead.
And a flathead. It's real simple.
I need to go put some light on this. I already had the light on.
But yeah, this is the first mod I'm doing, and we'll be building this car slowly but surely. We're gonna make some power. Cold air inductions intake supposed to add about 22 to the wheels with the tune, so we'll see eventually when I add all my bolt-ons how much it does. But yeah, if you haven't seen, this is my 2013 Camaro SS 1LE. Does have an H-pipe, stock mufflers, everything else is stock. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get to it.
Put that over there to the side. And we take this air filter out.
Alright, we already got the intake off. That took about 1 minute, 2 minutes max. There's the old intake. It's very restrictive.
We need 10mm to get this air box out. Yes, sir.
And yeah, just need a
10mm on there right there.
little impact gun wrench right there.
All the way up.
So if you want to do this mod yourself, you can see it's very simple. It doesn't take much at all. And yeah, I'll give y'all an update when we start installing the new one. Alright, so we had to make some minor modifications to the intake tube. The little rubber piece that goes on the intake tube, we had to do a little bit of cutting. Now we're just gonna get this back working, and then we'll throw the intake, which is right here, right back off in there.
Just sit it right there like that. What we gotta do is see how this thing is. Okay, so it's gonna come up over there like that. I gotta leave it loose.
So if you have a 1LE, just be aware you may have to do a little bit of extra modification to get this to work. If you have a regular SS, it should just pop right on with no problem. Still, we're gonna be done with this in under 20-30 minutes.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be pretty.
So this is still probably one of the most simple mods you can do. It's just a quick first look at how it's gonna look without the filter in there. It's gonna be pretty nice. Wires down. So now, just melting this piece on here, like you're supposed to, like the directions say. So, something you're gonna have to do.
And my wife's pulling it.
Get a heat gun or a torch, lighter, melt that on, and it'll do the job for you. Seal, nice seal.
Oh, he's shrinking.
Back to the install.
Hell of generic. Well, that's how I get when you got aftermarket.
Just throwing the mass airflow on.
Hey, what did I buy that was aftermarket? Pretty much got it. It didn't come with no instructions. Oh, and fucking quick jack. Yeah, find the lift, you already know what the deal is.
No instructions.
Like it gave you minimal directions. It said you can scan the side of this box for a video.
Oh, did that do anything?
Yeah. That just shows you how to hook the hoses up.
No. Trying to figure out where to move this ground wire to put the intake on, the box on, so it can get a good seal.
The bitch getting to that screw right there.
Yep.
Is this supposed to come out? Hold on.
Yeah, you can take it out.
Chad, jumping.
Oh, you can
No,
unscrew this
I'm just
glass
trying to get
piece.
the
Just-
fitment right.
You can unscrew this glass top.
Yeah, you can take this off.
That's what we should have did.
But you gotta put the filter in and connect it on first. I'm just trying to see if it fit past these wires before we hook it
Chad,
up.
take this shit off.
Man! Well, you know how much easier this is gonna be? Working too hard.
Well,
Man, I'm just trying to get the fitment
If
right.
you working hard, I'm working hard.
Yeah. You say you don't like working hard, do you?
Nah, I like making the most money for the least amount of work.
The mechanics way.
At the bottom.
all right, we got the
This
piece
one,
mounted
got
in.
one.
Be sure you take off the glass top before you start mounting it. That's common sense, but just be sure you do that to make it a lot easier for you. Screwing back in the pieces that go down there.
See if Chad know what he doing.
This glove. Man, my intake hit on my clothes way harder than this.
Yeah.
For no reason. And I
'Cause
had
people
twice the
make-
pipes.
Never mind. We can't say that on YouTube.
Demonetized. Even though I'm not monetized yet. Let's go ahead and get my subscribers up so I can get to the point to say that.
I had people asking, was that racist? I can't tell. I'm not offended. We knew what he was talking about.
Wait, no!
All right, so this is the finished product. Looks real good. Looks real good. That's gonna help the performance a lot. Intake temps are gonna be a lot lower.
It's time to clean that engine off a little bit too.
Yeah, it is. It needs some love. Yeah, let's go ahead and start it back up. Mass airflow plugged in.
Nope.
No, yeah, it is.
Nah, it ain't. I don't crank it up. You know. A little bit loud.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was all that.
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's pull this fuse now.
There we got it.
It's gonna do it for this video. That's the first mod for my new Camaro. If y'all like this video, go ahead and get it a like. Subscribe to my channel. And y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna keep doing things to this car.
Time to race it.
Yeah, we have to go to the drag strip. But it turned out real good. Looks good. But yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next video.